Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be replacing my broken switches on my TX16S. For some reason, just touched on it and things fell off at different times. So we're going to take out the four screws at the back of the controller. I'll just get my hex drivers and we can take that out. I think these screws are probably M2s, but I shall confirm what they are. So I just need to unscrew the four screws at the back, um, and then we will, once we get inside, we will now take out the faulty switches and replace them with another set of switches. I did have an old controller, I think it was a Taranis, so I took out the switches from there and I'm going to be using that to replace the broken switches on here. So I just have to cover that, put that so that it doesn't affect the gimbals. So now we're going to take out the battery and then the back plate, back cover. Kind of is a first of all you have to take out the grips, rubber grips. They come out quite easily. Just pull it out from underneath and it comes out. Then the other rubber grips too have to come out. Uh, so I'm taking out the two screws at the top for the antenna. This just helps the back cover to come up because there's a clip underneath there that holds it together. Um, so we will take the other grips off. They come up pretty easily. Then gently you should be able to see the back cover give way. Then there is the void seal. I don't want to take out the QR. I don't want to cut the QR code, so I just have to neatly take that out and I'll stick it back once we're done. This is my Velcro for my external battery pack. So there is the speaker cable. You need to be careful so you don't break it. Take that out, and the back cover is off. So those are the switches there that we need to take out. We have to use probably a set of tweezers and just turn this slightly to loosen the screw that holds the switches in place. There's also a cable tie somewhere there that we'll need to take out. So the build is, I like the way it's been organized. The Radio Master TX16S. It's an amazing radio actually. I've enjoyed using it. Flying with it has been great. Um, it's an amazing radio. I would recommend this to anybody who wants to actually do some real serious flying. Okay, so we need to take out the second nut. There we go. And make sure your gimbals are not hitting the table. Just get some more light in there. And then I'm taking out the cable tie. And please like and subscribe my videos. This will help us create more videos in the future. Thanks so much. You are an awesome viewer. Okay, so there we go. We need to take out the other set of switches. This will just enable us to have more room to take out the faulty one. So just unscrew that. Just a second, comes off. Okay, nice so you get lost. And then I realized the antenna is not really needed, so I'm going to just screw that back into place. This was just so that I take out the back cover So there we go. That's the that's the these are the good ones. So taking that out and then unplug it so keep it safe. We still have issues with it. It's not going to come out easily like that. So I'm going to take out the slider. Let's take out the slider. It has two screws, one on either side. So of course you have to disconnect that again as well. I realized that it's still, it's quite difficult to come out, and that later we would see why we have to take out the cable. But for now, these are the faulty switches. I'm going to just have to desolder them, and then we'll solder the new switches on there. Excuse me, I've got some gas in my belly. So we'll just take the first one out. And ensure your solder is hot enough to be able to melt this. Normally we just have some flux. That's some flux. My apologies for the focus. I had taken it out of autofocus and it was manual. So just take that one out and shoot forward off. That's it. And we're now going to bring in the other one. Remember I told you I took it out from my old Taranis radio. So radio still works though. I guess later I would have to find where to buy the switches. And then if you don't know where to buy the switches, please, you can always just send a comment or say where I can get the switches for the Taranis or the TX16S. So we're taking the cables out and make sure that you clean it properly. Take out the solders, the extra solder, and then we're gonna put it in here. It doesn't matter how the connections go. You just have to make sure that you put it in the right way. So just put that and solder it there. Okay. Just make sure everything is in and proper. Then I'm going to get my soldering iron, my soldering lead. So I just use a plier to ensure it sits properly. Then solder it down. And the second, I think that's, yeah, so I'm going to do the second one. Also have to clean it as well, take out the extra solder so it fits into the PCB board. So set that in properly. So, and then next thing is to solder it down. Again, this you can put, it's a three-way switch, so you can also install this in any direction that you like. It doesn't really matter. It will still work both the high and low. Same thing. Just add a few more to that one, and then we should be good to go. So we are done there. So the next thing is to install it back into the radio. So bringing back the radio in, we have to take out the gimbal. So you take out the right gimbal. This will allow us to fit it in properly without having to struggle. So the gimbal has 4 screws. Also, we have to take out our 4 screws. And, nice and neatly. We don't have to disconnect any of the cables for the gimbal. So the gimbal is out, and there we have it. Right. That's the 4 screws there, all setting and putting in there. Then we put in the second switch.
So I'm cutting this.
Say this me from the future. I realized that I did this the other way around, so I would have to go and redo it again. So if you see the switches was the other way around, so I had to go back and redo everything again, and then just all I did was to flip the switch back the other way around. So the high position is correct, is away from me, and the low position. Sorry, the low position is away from me, and the high position is close to me. So I had to flip that and sort that out. Now it's ready. Now we're going to start covering up. So don't forget to put in your the speaker connector, and then we need to put back the 4 screws. Right. And successfully changed that. So it's a quick video actually. It shows just to show you how I was able to sort mine out. If you ever have such issues with your switches, I don't know why they break so easily. Maybe I don't know if it's the heat, or I don't know. It just shared off, and it's not like I hit it on something, right? So I don't know if anyone has experienced things before. It would be nice. Just send a comment and let me know what could cause this to break that easily. Maybe radio
Switch warning.
have to look into this just to make it a bit more stronger.
Disarmed.
Because
Pre-arm active.
they just share off, because they just fall off.
Pre-arm active.
So yeah, so I'm
Pre-arm
testing it
active.
now. So you see
Pre-arm
it's
active.
working
Pre-arm
as
active.
it should be. So
Pre-arm
push
active.
towards me, activate
Vario
high,
off.
and
Beeper.
then that is
Vario
high,
off.
low, and
Navigation
all the
position
other
home.
switches are
Return to
working.
home. Horizon mode. Angle mode.
Yeah,
Camera
so
off.
I did make
Bank
the
1.
sound,
Bank 0.
the video of the how to implement sounds on your
Disarmed.
TX16S. You might want to check one of my videos.
OSD profile. OSD
How I
profile.
did, I think, 6-position switch, and then put on the sound pack on
Bank 1.
your controller. So again, just use your tweezers to screw this a little bit
Pre-arm
tight,
active.
not too tight,
Beeper.
enough for it to be snug and won't come loose.
Pre-arm
Decide
active.
to use, maybe blue Loctite. Thanks for watching, and if you just hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you. See you next one. Bye bye.